Bell peppers info and care. Are you planning on starting a little vegetable garden in your backyard? Have you been wanting to take that step in order to consume more fresh and healthy vegetables? If that's so, bell peppers are a vegetable you should keep in mind. Bell peppers are a culinary staple all over the globe. According to Healthline, bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, apart from other vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K1, vitamin E, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Since bell peppers will be perfect for your vegetable garden, we will help you grow them perfectly. If you are planning to plant bell peppers, there is some information you must know. So keep on watching to find out. Let's get started. Growing bell peppers is no rocket science. This plant is low maintenance, but as a seedling, it requires care and attention. You must start growing a bell pepper plant indoors, as the temperature can be controlled, and you can later transplant the plant anywhere you desire. Bell pepper seeds need warmth to growth. The ideal temperature is between 21 and 32 degrees Celsius, which can be provided using a heating mat, or simply by placing the seed tray in a warm location. The seed tray should be filled with well-draining potting soil, and place 1 to 3 seeds in every container. Covering the tray with cling wrap will also be a help. You should be able to see the seeds pop within a few weeks after this. Keep an eye on the seed tray, and as soon as you start seeing the plant get a few inches tall, transplant them to a small pot. Initially, put the plant outside in the warm weather for a couple of hours to get used to the new surroundings. The plant can be transplanted into the garden when they are about 8 inches tall. Bell pepper plant thrives in warm conditions and soil with a pH of 6.5 or 7. Perfect conditions for a bell pepper plant. Before transplanting the bell peppers to the garden, there is a lot a gardener needs to think about. The following are some things they must ensure and understand. Transplant the bell pepper plant when the nighttime temperature in your region is about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the frost is long gone. The soil must be well drained. The plants must be placed with a minimum of 18 inches between one another. Try to keep the soil evenly moist. Not too dry, not too wet. Around 1.5 inches of water is enough for the plant per week. Nitrogen fertilizers should be reduced, as they can stunt the growth of the plant. Pests and diseases. Overwatering the bell pepper plant can cause root rot, which is a fungal disease that is highly damaging. Overwatering can lead to Phytophthora blight, which causes root, crown, and fruit rot in many plants. Loss of end rot is another disease that can affect the plant that is caused by calcium deficiency. This deficiency can be caused by either a calcium-deficient soil or a low pH soil, which can reduce the calcium intake. Bell pepper plants can also be infested by pests. Some pests to look out for are spider mites, cutworms, flea beetles, stink bugs, aphids. Neem oil is a good way to avoid all kinds of pests. Another way to get rid of them is by hand-picking the pests and squashing them. Harvest time. The key to getting the tastiest bell pepper is knowing when they are ready to harvest. You can know that by picking the peppers when they're up to 3 to 4 inches long and they look green and firm. If your bell pepper is thin, they are not ripe enough. And if they are too soggy, they are beyond ripe. There are many different varieties of bell peppers, and if the gardener wants orange, yellow, or red bell peppers, they just need to leave them on the vine for longer, and they will take the desired color. Types of bell peppers. Bell peppers come in many types and colors, such as yellow, red, green, orange, and even purple, but red and green are the most popular ones. According to research, green peppers have the least amount of nutrition because they haven't ripened yet. Extra tips. These are some tips that will help you achieve a healthy bell pepper plant. If you are collecting seeds of bell peppers from store-bought bell peppers, red ones are ideal as they are the most mature. Try to introduce the plant slowly to the outside environment before completely transplanting it into the garden. This process is called hardening off. If you live in a cooler area, lay black plastic over the soil. This will lead to quicker growth. Keeping the soil warm is great because the bell pepper plant prefers warmer conditions. But getting it too warm can kill useful soil bacteria, so do not overdo the heat. Conclusion. In conclusion, bell pepper is a great addition to your garden. There are easy ways to manage and have great nutritional value. Just follow the tips mentioned above. Be vigilant, and you'll be rewarded with fresh bell pepper. I hope this video guided you in the right direction, and now you know a little more about taking care of your bell pepper plant. Don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe. And don't forget that life is better when you garden.